Hello everyone, today we're focusing on how to study for a math test. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more. Start early. Begin your studies early. Attend all classes, and don't hesitate to ask your teacher questions. Use your homework as a learning tool. Effective planning. Plan your study. Plan your study schedule. Practice with past exams and use flashcards for important formulas. Study groups. Join study groups for different perspectives and explanations. Night before exam. Prepare the night before. The night before the exam, review key concepts, solve a few problems, and ensure a good night's sleep. Exam day tips. Exam day strategy. On the day, eat a healthy breakfast. During the exam, answer familiar questions first and stay calm. Conclusion. Ready for success. That's a wrap on how to study for a math test. Remember, start early, plan well, and stay focused. Subscribe for more tips and good luck on your test.